Greetings, fellow traders. Bubble here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, November the 9th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we left off the market here today. So SPX ended up finishing up 41 points today, so it was overall pretty bullish, but gosh, it was not without a nasty pullback here after getting extended over the upper Bollinger Band here on the monthly chart. Weekly chart so far turning into a shooting star candle right here. Daily chart, big shooting star candle. So one of the things we're tracking, we talked about this last night, right? When is this wave one going to end? We thought it might end right here, but it looks like we broke out and they decided to push it a little bit higher here. So it looks like that's probably it. So we'll see if that was, sort of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 type move to finish wave one up here. Let's go ahead and adjust this right here. We do have that fresh trend line that we talked about earlier here. So we are bullish till proven otherwise, but at this point here, we're looking for a retrace. So how much does it want to get into this gap? We'll see. And of course, this gap down here would put us into this golden zone right here off of the 618. So we'll see if that holds off the cloud, off the prior resistance levels, if it wants to work its way up off of that. So that could be interesting too. We're definitely going to be keeping an eye on that. Let's take a look at the SPY. Great volume today on a Monday for a nasty pullback there from a huge gap up. So pretty wild stuff there. Again, a lot of times those all-time highs do get rejected. So that's something that we're looking into today for sure. S&P futures. All right, so this is great. Nice impulsive move down today using Elliott Wave intraday. If anybody likes Elliott Wave, definitely check out our series that we've been doing every Sunday with Algo 382. The link will be at the end of this video, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. We pointed out an ABC up here today off of the 15 orb low. Nice impulsive move down. You don't have to chase it. Look for your retrace right here off the 382 for a wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's see if we get a wave 5 overnight here. MES again. Basically, we tried to break out here again. That was our intraday geometric line, but that is now fresh right here. So we'll see how that holds going to be. Look what we broke, that old geometric line right here. Look how that held, or look how that flushed through there. Really amazing stuff on that one. Let's take a look at the Qs. Again, huge divergences across the board, guys. We talked about in the group how this was the Qs were triangulating here intraday. Got a nice breakdown, retest the 15 orb high for a flush into the close on that one. IWM. Tried to hang in there today, but a lot of the small cap names ended up getting weak here today. Big breakdown right here, retrace the 15 orb high, 15 orb low, and then a breakdown right there. Let's say with the XLF. The XLF pretty much held the market up for the majority of the day today, and then they've started to flush at the end of the day, helping add fuel to the fire on the downside for that one. So big push down there on the XLF, but it is what it is. Let's take a look at Apple. Members did well on this one intraday. Again, nice geometric breakdown here. Nice geo breakdown right here. Sort of like a, kind of like a sideways head and shoulders type move right here. Nice break there. We lost the 15 orb on Apple today. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla gave a nice 15 orb breakout in the morning, then kind of worked its way down with the rest of the market today. So nasty move on Tesla. Again, it was an inside day up initially. If you go to the daily chart right here, but rejected. Look where it rejected. The daily level. You got to have those daily levels up just to make sure if you're going to trade something, make sure you see what's going on with it to see if it can give a good push or not, or if it's heading into resistance. So it's a good one right there. NEO, this gave us a great trade here this morning. This is one we just like still ended up closing green today. This thing has just been a monster. So we caught this nice 15 orb breakout here this morning for a good move, took profit on it, and let it chop for the rest of the day. So that was a nice one for the group right there. Beyond. Again, crazy moves today, right? So, McDonald's coming out with their own veggie burger, and then it turns out that they're working on the veggie burger with McDonald's, and now we got earnings tonight. So let's see how that goes with Beyond and the rest of the day. Nikola reported earnings today. It sounds like they had better than expected earnings, and still working with GM. So let's see if this company ends up being legit or not. Tilray, again, the pot sector was down today. Tilray with some earnings after hours here, so let's see how that holds. Again, it gave a good move up the other day, but now it's pulling back a little bit here too. Adobe's been on our bearish radar. We didn't trade it today. Again, with caution on the rest of the market as the market's pulling back right here. They did do a big outlay of money on an acquisition. So again, just kind of still keep an eye on Adobe. Right, it's kind of nice impulsive wave up right here. I like how it's kind of working on its 618 area right here. Let's see if it fills this gap, gets in the golden zone, tries to work its way back up for an earnings run. So one to keep an eye on there. And then last but not least, let's take a look at Roku right here. We're just going to see if this one does a little gap down tomorrow. Nice down move here, nice H cell setup right there, right, for a nice move down. So let's see if there gets any more downside follow through going into tomorrow. So good stuff, guys. I really appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll catch you guys at 7:39 on the free YouTube live stream on the Bubblehead channel. Until then, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.